Hi guys, I'm Ari, and this is my friend CATA. We needed a job, so we got a job application form. Crazy, right? I have no idea what we're doing, so let's get started.
She was a fairy.
Hi guys!
Oh, I didn't make sure the mic was on.
Okay, so we're both making a video for our POVs, both of our POVs. Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna see which one's better. She gets the funny ones if hers saves,
Yeah.
and then mine just the regular ones.
Yeah.
Y'all need to come watch ours. Okay, come on, go.
Okay, yeah. But why are we so fast? Yeah. Oh my gosh, no, no. You big back. Move. Haha, that's what you get. Yes.
Okay, you're in.
Okay. Let's go. What the heck?
What dance is he doing? Okay, what we have to do for the fire, we have to go like really quick. And there's people who come, okay? I call this one, okay?
Okay. I call it luggages. I like.
MP7A1 is a gun, okay? I need ammo because there's some people who come.
Okay.
Making sure none of y'all bad.
So 4. Okay.
Get over here.
Oh. Okay. I need to censor that.
Why did you put that? Why did you hold that or put that up? No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're fine.
Okay.
So you got some underwear on. Is that what
No
they,
dip.
Is that what they usually see?
Yeah. Bro, I need ammo.
Reload.
Oh, I did not know.
Okay, we did that.
Are you sure?
What's his left? I thought you named this one.
I could shoot them. I was trying to shoot you.
Why? If I die, then you're by yourself. Okay, you're okay. Sorry, y'all. I just had to make sure the mic was on.
Yeah.
I'll cut that out. Girl, you're supposed to be doing these. What are you doing?
I'm doing the luggages.
These.
Oh.
I can't get no more people. Is he fine? Oh, he needs to. Maybe you should hold your phone instead of hiding it.
Yeah. You shouldn't have put. Yeah.
I don't know where you're going, but you're not. But you're not no police officer, so you going to jail.
I accidentally denied.
That means they can't hear us.
What do you mean?
The thing is all the way up.
No, it's okay. They could still hear me and you. Okay.
Sorry, y'all, if y'all couldn't hear me. See, you got a watch on. Maybe you should.
Oh, ma'am, you don't fight me. I can't.
Going to jail.
Where's the taser? Where's the taser?
Taser.
Okay, bleep that. Bleep that. You can't do that.
Or
It's because that's too like inappropriate for
taser?
No, them beating them up.
Girl, deny. You're going away. See, that's it.
Okay.
Yay! We killed 3 passengers.
That's so beautiful, bro.
Criminals arrested? Yes.
Oh no. Okay, we need to make sure where the fire extinguisher is.
Fire extinguisher. Hey! Make sure you're always by it, okay? You stay by this one, okay? I don't know where another one is, but I'm gonna direct it.
Oh no! I accidentally did something wrong.
No. Did you accept the criminals?
Luggage, yes. Because it didn't.
Stop looking around.
It didn't show the bomb. And then it showed it when I accepted it. Like what?
You? Why did you keep your thing on? So you're going to jail because you're not done now. Is that what they do? In jail? What are we doing?
The power went out. I'll fix it. Back what I was doing.
No, you shouldn't have left your phone on. You should have put it in the thing. Sorry.
What?
He's a knife. A weapon. A weapon. He just went in the thing. He just went in there. You're not supposed to talk. You record. You're fine, yeah.
I can't get it. Yes, yes, we did it. We did it.
He didn't pass away. Is that what I think it is?
What?
He had to. Get your booty over here. Get your booty.
Here's a teddy.
He's fine.
No. He's coming with
Bruh.
me.
There's one you should have took. And if they have like a weapon, you have to take him away.
Ain't no way I just damn.
Girl. Take him away. Take him away. You're fine.
Oh, I need to look at some luggages. Oh my gosh, this luggage is built with yeah. Yeah.
Day 2. You better not pass away on this one. Because I haven't passed away yet.
Huh. I do this one.
Another good thing out there, the airport won't secure itself. I bet you this doesn't actually happen at the airport.
I'm not gonna get beat up, huh?
Now, where'd you go?
I'm inside the thing. Get me out! Get me out! Thank you.
I can arrest you, you know? I wonder when everyone's gonna, like, not be the same person.
Yeah, I got some people that wasn't the same person.
Huh?
I got some people that wasn't the same person.
I still haven't. I guess I can check some of these. Criminals! Outside. Hide up here.
Where? Bro, where are you telling me to go? Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead. Bro, it's literally scam jumping.
Are you alive again?
I have more lives. Yes.
Destroy. Oh, taser. Destroy. Smash. Oh, never mind. I thought you didn't have to say it for a second. He has nothing on him.
Yes, he
Oh, it's a
does.
flashlight. That's it. Oh, luggage. That's it. We did. How many more things do you have?
I don't know.
Because you already used one, right? Because you died.
Yeah, so I have. I don't know how much I have.
I started sitting. I'm doing this one.
I do that. Luggages is. I don't know how to say it.
Luggage.
Luggages is last.
Luggages and the basement.
Yeah.
I feel like you're rude for the metal detector because even if they have like a teddy bear, you're still putting it on. I mean, that's what I started to do, so yeah. Dang, you didn't have to come that close. Like, maybe you should read, but not bring to an airport.
Who? Then why are you killing them? They were literally killing me. Yeah.
So you go fix the outage. I'll take the line.
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna pass. You're a deny.
Do it. I can't tell by the hair. He's white. No, it's because he has different hair and he's white.
Yay.
And try to surprise me.
Boss is really proud of us, right? Come over here to boss. Hey, boss, how we doing?
Every day we up and let me hear, cause I don't have a choice.
Okay, so I'll do this.
Because I like the boy. All this for what? Boss is calling me! Boss is calling me!
What is he saying?
Wait, hold up. Okay, guys. Araya. Okay, Araya.
Yeah.
So let's see what he told us. Ready?
Hello, you're shifted. Okay, work by enjoy. Here is $100.
We got $100!
Okay.
Okay, bye guys. We're gonna go eat some food. Okay, so let's see. Be quiet, okay? We need to let her talk.
Hello? Well, your boss told me to write you.
Okay, let's go sit, guys. We're gonna unpause the video when we're sitting. Okay, so we're gonna do blue challenge versus pink challenge. Okay,
So we're gonna be doing blue
versus pink. Okay, I'm blue.
and I'm pink.
Yeah,
So let's.
we could also eat that too. Okay. Ooh, that's a pink one. I accidentally got a pink one, but that's okay. Ooh. Guys, we're gonna be quiet so you can hear all of the ASMR. is okay, so good.
I know, you picked the good one.
Oopsie.
I get the Oreo.
Okay. I can't believe we're getting money by eating. Like, what?
Like, how rich are we gonna be?
Real. Wait, I'm not done.
Explain the two things.
Okay, so we're gonna eat some more of blue things because I barely even got anything. So we're gonna pause it. Okay, so we're gonna share food.
Anyway, take it on.
Bro, I love it. Okay, we can.
Hey.
I'm not done. I accidentally got this.
Thank you.
It's okay. Hopefully. Wait, boss is texting me. Wait, boss is calling me.
What is he saying?
Let me check. Wait, he's calling me.
What is he saying, bro?
I was still playing. Okay. Okay, I accidentally declined. I don't know what he's. Oh, wait, he's calling me. Okay. Yes! Bye, guys! And also, our boss said bye. Bye!